Hi everyone! We are a UK family of 4, Lisa, Paul, Hunter and Pandora, and here we are on our second Worldschooling Hub in South Goa in India. This hub is owned and organised by Amanda Ashworth, a business and life coach, and of course a worldschooling mum of 3. Traditional education just wasn't working for our children and we wanted something better for them, so we came to India to give this place a go. I can tell you, it was life-changing. We spent 4 weeks immersed in this beautiful property that was spread across 2.5 acres. One of the great things about this place is that both of our children were in separate learning spaces. Here's the teen hub. There was also a program just for parents where we did yoga, breathwork, sound healing. Anyway, have a look at our first week's schedule. Each week was action-packed. There was a program for the younger kids, there were one for the tweens, and there was also one for the parents. The first week also fell on Halloween, so Amanda had arranged a Halloween party.
Oh wow, look at this.
It's because the water is
We soon learned that Halloween is not a thing in India, and Harsha almost had a heart attack at Paul's fake blood. In the first week, we were just getting to know everyone, working our way around and getting used to the heat. And here is the lovely Una with her kombucha making workshop. It's Monday morning, time for a school trip for the kids and a community meeting for the grown-ups.
We've got our stories in our backpacks, maps drawn in the dust and the breeze, learning from the oceans and the train tracks, chasing down the world like it's coming. Come with me. No deaths, just mountains rising, no bells, just waves in time. Every step's a brand new lesson, every sunrise feels like
Nomad.
I am so proud of all the kids that went on this school trip. They showed teamwork, leadership skills, and they came back really, really happy. Anyway, this next excursion is just for the grown-ups. And here's what I think about riding on a scooter. Amanda had organised for us all to go to the sanctuary, where there's a social sauna and ice baths in the middle of the jungle.
It's like a little cave. Oh, it's massive in
And
here.
here's Paul getting whipped by an Indian man with some eucalyptus.
Yeah. How's that?
It's okay.
We were well and truly out of the ordinary.
I don't think you're supposed to.
It's hard to think that just 6 months ago we were doing school runs, dragging Hunter to school.
It's called water shock.
And now we're in the jungle, sinking into an ice bath with our children happy and carefree.
I can't!
Go on.
Oh my god!
Go on, lower.
I
Keep
can't
breathing. Quick.
I can't go any further.
Go on.
The ice baths were much harder than I thought, but with Dipali's breathing techniques, we were able to give it a go successfully. And actually, we enjoyed it.
And a big deep breath in and hold your breath for a minute. Ready?
I think the ice bath was only designed for one. I think this is the moment Paul couldn't resist my sexy face.
30 seconds. 30 more seconds.
While we were in Goa, I took part in my first women's circle, and the card I picked couldn't have been more meaningful. It spoke about my soul longing for freedom and highlighted a part of my life where I'd been feeling trapped. That moment hit deeply and pushed me towards making some important decisions. Worldschooling Hub Goa gave us the freedom to try new things without fear, shame or judgment. A truly low-pressure space where we could just explore and be ourselves. The lovely Dipali introduced us to sound healing, yoga, breathwork, she introduced us to a new holistic way of living that we didn't know we needed. I'm endlessly grateful for her knowledge and expertise. When I told her I didn't believe meditation was real, she didn't correct me or laugh. She simply guided me, taught me, and opened my eyes. And then there's the lovely Harsha. Harsha is the community mother spirit, guiding us towards natural healing and caring for everyone.
Thank you for welcoming us.
Yeah.
We also did a Rangoli making workshop with Pallavi, who, given half the chance, will do Rangoli on any floor. The parents were invited to do an art class, although I don't think this is what somebody had in mind. Our mode of transportation was scooter. 4 of us on one scooter, and it cost less than €100 a month. This hub stands out because every activity was run by paid professionals. No half measures, just carefully chosen facilitators who knew exactly what they were doing. But the dad's night out, that wasn't facilitator-led.
His fault. It's the bad man. I don't know who's the theater. Who's to blame?
The parents' breathwork coach also coached the tweens into how to breathe, ready for their ice bath experience.
Oh my goodness. I'm super proud of him. He's doing a breath hold.
We were also lucky enough to participate in the first ever floating sound healing at Worldschooling Hub Goa.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Is it working?
Yeah, it's working and it looks so amazing.
What do you mean, Hunter?
The dogs are gonna help. Oh yes, 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 yes.
Life doesn't often give us space to try new things with our children. They're at school, we're at work, and the days slip by. This experience gave us the gift of time together. The most special thing is we met families from all over the world, every culture and religion. That's real learning. That's real life.
No.
Too far.
Right leg. So you can think about your right leg first and left leg forward.
I'm definitely not winning any surfing awards. Time to see how the kids got on.
Go forward. Stand up. Go forward. Yay! Watch out, guys.
Guys, watch out!
Watch out.
Watch out!
Smashed it, Hunter. Well done. Yeah, I can do that too. Watch. Second time lucky? After just 3 goes of surfing, I was shattered. There is so much that we haven't shown you on this video. We had over 100 hours of footage, and we have put just a few clips of our favourites into this 14-minute video. Anyway, off to week 4. Here we are doing family personal training with Dave from Dragon Fitness. Because that's exactly what I want to be doing in 30-degree heat. But honestly, I am not complaining because in the 2.5 months that we were in Goa, I lost 1.5 stone in weight.
Heads, shoulders, knees, go.
Surprisingly, one of our favourite meals was one we cooked ourselves at Rahul's cooking class in Palolem Beach, where we were welcomed with chai and homemade samosas, and Hunter really enjoyed making chapatis. The lovely Priyanka also led a Bollywood dancing class, and here I am proposing to my wife. School doesn't suit every child. The UK system was completely wrong for Hunter. I couldn't even get him through the gates without chaos and distress. But here in Goa, he was happy and regulated. He had autonomy, low pressure, no academic demands, and a focus on real-life skills.
Hi, good morning everyone.
The Tween Hub was led by Samriddhi.
Thank you so much for being here. This is a wonderful, wonderful cohort.
who had experience with neurodivergent children and mental health.
Each one of them have brought in so much energy, love, creativity, humor, kindness, and it was a joy to see them build their friendships.
Instead of end-of-term essays, each child created a project that reflected their own experience of India.
So I made a game involved around India. Oh, yeah, we went to the temple. And then the monkeys chased.
Slowly but surely, our boy was healing. Watching his progress in this alternative style of education was nothing short of transformational. And he made us question everything we'd ever been told about learning. It helped him build real-world resilience and gave him the space to feel confident again.
You never know what's going to happen. Like sometimes you run along, a dog comes running.
Being around younger children gave him a real sense of responsibility, and he discovered he genuinely enjoyed stepping into that leadership role.
Worldschooling Hub Goa family, and you will always be welcome here. I also know that some of you, it's your first step into worldschooling, and I hope that it's been an incredible experience for you, and that I hope you have loved India as much as we do, and like you've taken Goa has a piece of your heart, and you keep it with you on your travels. So let's do the certificate. Can you? So first up, we have Pandora. A certificate for being a graceful cook. Certificate for Hunter for being a problem solver pro.
The closing ceremony was filled with emotion. We said our goodbyes to the families heading off, and we shared a blessing for the journeys ahead. Goa was truly special. It marked an important chapter in our lives. It was reflective, it was transformative, and it shifted the way we think about the way we live. Life won't ever be the same. Experiencing new things together as a family and finding a sense of community, just as the people of India do, gave us a real glimpse into a life built on friendship and togetherness. Many had so little, yet their richness came from the people around them and the freedom to share their world. It was a powerful reminder that true wealth isn't material, it's connection, belonging, and the ability to explore, laugh, and cry together. Thank you to Amanda and Mike for giving us the chance to be part of this. And I know, whatever Amanda creates next will no doubt be crafted with the same intention, thoughtfulness and care that shaped this hub.
Hi! Happy Christmas! Where are you guys off to? Oh, okay. Are you having a roast dinner?
Her yoga teacher
Yeah.
asking if she was okay and asking about her friend who was wielding the hammer last night.
Yeah, that might have been me.
Was it you?
Yeah, it was me.
Hammer time.
So, okay, so the hammer, let me just explain to everyone so no one thinks that I'm a crazy psychopath.
Happy birthday! Oh, thank you, everybody. Cheers! Thank you.
She's got the camera ladies here.
Wow. It is last.
No.
It is last day.
You know what?
I'm not going to fall in any bushes tonight, though.
They're safe.
You know.
Oh, we're gonna miss them, aren't we?
Oh, so much
I
so.
don't have to ice you guys. That's the bit
I'm so
that's
sad.
when the
I'm so sad that we're not gonna be around you guys.
Yeah.
Just for now.
For now, yes.
The world moves in mysterious ways, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Forever in our hearts, Goa.